The apartment has a multifunction washing machine which has basically all the washing programs indicated on the right hand side of the knob with different symbols. For instance, if you choose the second one, it means that it will be economic 40 to 60 degrees and it will last 208 minutes in total. You have all the different programs indicated with the timer on the electronic panel, even a wool program if you want to wash your sweaters, but we can recommend you to make it quicker and clean and wash in good conditions. The one on the left hand side, lower side, 50 minutes if the tumble dryer is not full, or the 60 minutes if it's full, and then select the temperature with the thermometer symbol defining the temperature desired from 30 to 60 degrees maximum. Once you have defined, you have to put the soft capsule that we leave underneath the basin, put it with your clothes, shut properly the door, and then press the on button. Once you have finished the washing, there are different drying programs also indicated on the left hand side. From the upper one, which lasts 390 minutes, so that's too long, we recommend the third one, the third symbol, the last 135 minutes. It's better to empty half of the trumble to make it dry quicker and properly. So try to use the washing firstly when the machine finishes the program, then take out a few clothes and use the third symbol.